When your Velux remote stops responding, start with the most common cause: dead batteries. Replace the batteries in your remote, making sure they're correctly oriented. If replacing batteries doesn't work and there's no display or indicator light, your remote needs to be reset. Use a pointed object like a small screwdriver to press the reset button. After resetting, your remote will prompt you to resynchronize. Press the affirmative button when asked to reset the remote control. Then follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect with your window. For Velux touch remotes that only control some of your skylights, tap the gear icon on your remote and use the arrow to add any missing skylights to restore full control. Signal interference from electronics or metal furniture can block your remote's signal. Try moving potential interference sources away from your window unit or operate the remote closer to the window. For newer Velux systems with smart home integration, outdated firmware might be the issue. Check the Velux app for any available updates to ensure your system is running the latest software. When basic troubleshooting fails, the next step is resetting the motor unit itself. This requires accessing the physical reset button on the window motor. First, manually open your Velux window completely. This gives you access to the motor unit and ensures the window is in the proper position for the reset procedure. Tilt the motor unit slightly downwards to reveal the reset button. This button is typically light gray in color and located on the motor housing. Press downwards on the T-link as shown to access it. Press and hold the reset button firmly until you see the motor chains start to move briefly. This indicates the motor unit has been successfully reset and is ready to reconnect with your remote. If the motor reset doesn't resolve the issue, check the electrical system. For electric Velux windows, verify the transformer box output voltage. The transformer box should provide exactly 24 volts DC to the motor unit. Use a multimeter to verify this voltage. Incorrect voltage indicates a power supply problem that requires professional attention. When motor resets and electrical checks don't solve the problem, it's time to contact Velux professionals. Some issues require specialized knowledge and tools. Contact Velux professionals when you encounter deeper electrical issues, feel uncomfortable with the procedures, or when both the remote and motor appear faulty. Professional diagnosis can determine if the issue is with the remote or the motor unit itself. Certified Velux installers offer a 10-year guarantee on their work, ensuring proper installation and long-term reliability. This professional service is especially valuable for complex electrical issues or motor replacements. Remember, while motor unit resets can resolve many issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Proper diagnosis and repair ensure your Velux window system operates reliably for years to come.